YouTube was good. It's Elite Eli, and I'm back again with another video. As you guys can see, I just got a fresh cut today. I got a 2.5 with the green. I got a 2.5 all around. So I got a 2.5 in my crown too also. I just got home not too long ago, and I didn't really like do nothing yet to my hair. I didn't brush it. I didn't add no products or do anything yet. So I'm just gonna come to you guys with my fresh cut method. So stay tuned. Basically, for your fresh cut method, and because you wash and style, you know, in a day or two before your cut, so basically your hair is just gonna be dry. So what you wanna do is just, you know, add that moisture back and seal it in. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna be adding this moisturizer right here, this Blueberry Feel Good Moisturizer by PB. I'm gonna add this, and then I'm gonna get a lengthy session, and then after I brush this in for a long time, then I'm gonna add this oil. I'm just gonna add this oil for shine and moisture and seal in the product. Then after that, I'm gonna softly brush that in for about 20 minutes and then rag up. I will be using this brush right here. This is a Salty Torino Pro brush that I don't use on a regular. So I will be using this to brush out the loose hairs, because after a wash and style, you know, you don't wanna wash your hair. I always get that question a lot. You don't wanna wash your hair because you already washed your hair before. You wanna wash it again. That's, you know, twice in 2 days. Your hair's gonna be really dry, and you're just stripping your hair of its natural oils. And just get a brush you don't use a lot. My brush started chipping off. I don't even know how it did that. I don't use it often. I only use this brush when I get a fresh cut. So I'm just gonna take this brush out the loose hairs, and then I'm gonna get a nice session. I'm gonna be using mad brushes for this method, 4 to be exact. I'm using this medium brush, this medium royalty. I just found this brush a while ago. It was at my girlfriend's house. I just found it. I haven't used it in a while. It's a real like medium firm. And then I'm gonna use this Torino Pro brush. It's a medium. It's not firm, it's just a medium. And after that, I'm gonna use medium soft brush and my softest brush, Torino Pro. This is my softest brush, so I'm gonna use these two for the oils. And then after that, I'm just gonna, you know, I'm gonna lay it down and then rag up. This is gonna be like a lengthy, you know, session, and the video may be a little long, but I'm gonna try and like cut it down a little bit. So you guys can pick up your brush and follow along with me. If you just got a fresh cut, you know, that's even better. But anyway, you guys, I'm just gonna get this method going, and then I'm gonna play some music in the background, and you guys could just follow along with me. That's the end of the video, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another upload from here on out. If you like this do-rag and you want to cop some designer do-rags, silky do-rags, you could go to the link in my description, or you could just go to this website right here and use my coupon code ELITEELI for 50% off.